Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I will going to continue my series by adding the key edit button function and delete button function. First of all, let's see what we have concluded in the backend. Like we have had before has given like this code and which was the before part like that, and similarly like test transaction and fetching part of transaction and then the today's part of it. In the key update part, first of all we have added the API transaction as ID, okay, assign and request and response. Then we have taken the IDs from the in the JSON format from the backend and name, price, description and date time from the body, and then the update part updating by using the MongoDB query extension, and then we have go to our ID as this name, and then it will going to show the true like this has been done and represent all of the not updated. And if it doesn't update, then it will say the false transaction not found. And then, or if it is done, then it will going to update the transaction as that. Or if any other errors come, then it will going to show like that console error as error updating transaction as error and response as this. And then at the last point we have add the or last delete transaction endpoint as API transaction ID. Similarly like update will going to take, it will take its ID as it doesn't require the name, description and price of like data for it. It will going to take in the query part of the MongoDB as this that transaction and this in the ID format. And then if it doesn't found it, it will similarly display the error like the before not found in the, or if it founds, then it will going to show the error as transaction as deleted successfully. And then if then again it will catch error in deleting it, it will going to show this error. Okay, so let's go to our front end part, how we have added it in the update and that part. So first of all, in the function we have defined as the function update transaction ID and updated data, and then the define taken the URL from the env files that we have defined right here and here like for that. And then we will going to see the fetching. You will going to fetch this URL in the put method as we have done in the backend, and then header as content application JSON and stringify its JSON response, then take its response in the JSON format, and if it comes, then well, it will going to show the message alert in transaction updated successfully, and then it will again fetch the transaction to refresh all of the list, else it will going to give the error. Or if any error in between happens, then it will going to display like that. So then we will going to our next part of it as a function transaction ID, like it will going to take the ID from the backend MongoDB as as right here we have not open it, browse like IDs. Is as if like here you can see it is in a smaller format as it has the ID, name, price and description of it. The smaller format, like you can see right here, it has been displaying it as right here. Okay, so like it will going to similarly like an update function, it will going to delete it, display its message and fetch all of the transaction to refresh it, and if error happened, failed, this will going to show, and then this will going to show, and it will going to change it. So let's see how this is really working. Like it has a lunches cafe. Okay, right here. Now let's change the amount as the plus and 800. Okay, anything you want, time as this, and it has update, so the message has update and this. And right here let's create a new transaction for ourselves as for TV. It will going to take the data as the today's date and anything else etc that it is needed. Transaction added successfully, it has come, and right here let's delete this as it was not needed, and it has so that transaction has deleted successfully and it has gone, like, and similarly from the backend, like let's just refresh it, see its data. Like right here one document right here and similarly right here. Okay, so we have also imported this project in our github github channel account as this will have the key, it will be in the links of the description right here in the YouTube. Right here I have given that basic description and how to improve its features like the validation, error handling, pagination, deployment and other features that you want to do for your GitHub enhancement. And so if you guys enjoy this video, make sure to like and subscribe to this channel for the future contents like this. See ya and goodbye.